Hello everyone, welcome to Cytek Solar Limited, and today we're here with
Kelvin from Nakuru Lanet.
We're here doing a system expansion for his home. This is a residential project. How has your experience with solar been so far?
The experience has been nice. I cannot complain, and that's why we are doing expansion, because initially the panels were few. We had 12 panels. We have added 3 and some batteries because the first experience was good, and it really cut cost on my side. So I think by adding some more, I'll be completely free.
Okay, that's good. And what would you say your experience with Cytek has been?
First of all, Cytek, their services are good. Even their payment terms, they are favorable. So anytime, any day, I will choose Cytek. Cytek Solar, good job.